What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here with my dumbass wife, who thinks she's really funny.
I've been waiting to do that.
I just screwed up the little intro, so we had to restart it, and she was just excited. I could see it in her face that she was going to try some jackassery. So, we're both here, and what we got for your face balls today is an unboxing video. And we've got a few packages. I'm going to shove that one under there real quick. So, first up, I want to say thank you to one of my good buddies who's also in the knife YouTube community. What is up, YouTube knife community? Mr. BJ Hill over at Hilltop Knives and Gear. He sent both of these packages right here. This one was addressed to Molly. This one is addressed to me.
Look, I get kisses and laughy faces.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, he's an artiste.
Emojis.
Ooh.
Emojis on the package.
Oh, BJ.
Yeah, look at that. But first things first, I got this knife today as well. This came straight from Camillus, and it was addressed to the marketing department at OCD for EDC.
We had a discussion about who made up the marketing department.
Yeah,
we're not really sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that was about, but I'm pretty positive that this was sent by the APES Pass Around group. So thank you very much to Camillus for sending this over. Yeah, it's one that I haven't checked out before, so...
We're just both be part of the marketing group, yeah. I guess.
I'm going to open this one just so my wife doesn't cut herself. But what? I guess technically she's the marketing department. One, I've got kind of a knife that's a little bit dangerous. And two, this is, the type of package where you could hurt yourself.
Nah, I could have that.
So the unboxing knife for this package, and then we'll use this one to unbox the others, is the Wee Blacow.
Oh my lord.
So, yeah. Let's
Watch
get in
you
it.
Cut yourself.
Yeah.
Karma. Instant karma.
Right. Or not.
Or not. I should have said nothing. And you would have.
Yeah, you should have said nothing. So this is the Camillus Keto or Keto or something along those lines.
Like keto to me.
Well, but you don't know how they pronounce it.
Made of protein.
Must be made of protein. All right. Let's,
Do you want me to get that for you?
Go ahead and pull it out. Look at that.
Look at that little tip nub.
So, why don't you read the stats? I'm going to go grab something real quick.
Oh, boy. It is titanium bonded drop point blade, quick launch bearing system, G10 handle, stainless liner locks up in yonder, and a lanyard hole. You know, because that's what you do.
Awesome. All right, so.
Oh, and the blade is 3.5 inches long. That's 3.5. And overall length is 8 inches.
Look at that. Wonderful narrator. And it's 420 stainless steel. So we'll throw that to the side. And
can I take that nub? Oh, man.
Oh, well, I thought you would have already done that. Have you flipped it? Have you opened it?
No. I was reading the stats, bro.
This thing's actually feels nicer than I was expecting. So, try it out.
Oh, it's got flipper tab, yeah.
Flipper tab and thumb studs.
Let me try that thumb stud. I'm not real good at this. One more time.
There you go. Nailed it. You shut it.
Yeah, I do.
All right,
you were grabbing it. I didn't want to.
Real quick here. So what I went to grab, real quick, just because this was a new unboxing, I figured it only seemed right to do a little sharpness test on the Camillus, just to see how their factory edges are holding up these days.
Seems fun. Like everybody enjoys the factory edge test.
Yeah. So let's check her out real quick. So here we go. 170.
That's pretty good, huh?
170. Yeah, that's solid. That's a nice little test on the old Camillus. This is a nice hollow grind on here too. Pretty nice. It's just good. Just a kind of a basic neutral little pocket knife. Deep carry clip.
Like those blue accents.
Not reversible. Yeah, the blue screws.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty cool. I dig it. And being a Camillus knife, I don't know what the price is on it, but I'll check that out when I do the review. But my guess is it's pretty budget friendly knife. Mm-hmm. It probably is even under $20.
Ooh, dang. Okay.
So yeah, pretty nice. I'm guessing $20 to $30. So you can use said knife to open up your. Should I open mine first? And let me open mine first.
Okay.
Because I think yours is going to be funnier than mine is.
Oh, probably. Yeah. I am the comedy in this show.
Well, yeah. See? Tried that. So, see what we got going in here. Oh. All right.
Well, we got a TSA. We got some leather goods.
Yeah.
You get a love letter?
I don't know what I got here. So I know what those are, soft loops.
I hope it's a love letter.
These, no, not a love letter.
Oh, dang.
I got stickers.
All right.
From
Blade Bank.
Ball. Is that a ball bag or?
Definitely a ball bag.
Ball bag. Yep, that's a ball bag.
Oh, nice.
Hilltop Knives and Gear. Another Hilltop Knives and Gear. Another one.
I'm gonna put one of those on my toilet.
Spyderco Knives Club. Little American flag.
That's cute.
Yeah. Another ball bag or blade banker.
Balls.
You know we love you, Ben. Yeah, you definitely need to keep your balls bagged. That's for sure.
It gets dangerous.
And check that out. Spyderco Knife Club. There's Spyderco Knives Club.
What is that?
Something on Instagram, but BJ sent me a picture of it and said that I think he made a donation and they sent him these stickers or something. Cool. But
America.
Yeah, hell yeah. Thank you very much, BJ. I greatly appreciate that. And the soft loops. This is for a little upcoming deal. So this is BJ's TSA entry for this month, and then this knife.
What are it?
This is, I know what it is already, because
you're just a genius.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
And you can't be surprised because he can guess any gift you ever put in his hand. It's disgusting and hurtful.
This, for all the people out there, is the St. Nick's Mannix 2 with an MXG gear deep clip on it. I'm pretty sure it's MXG. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I might be wrong on that. But that's the knife. So, all right, that's what I got from BJ. You go on to your stuff.
Okay. Doodly doo 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 doo. That's my opening song. Do 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 do. Don't touch it. It's mine.
Good Lord, people. You see what I deal with here?
No. I need another knife. It's fine.
We may have to block out some stuff. We'll see.
Oh, no. Do. I sang a song to Walter the other day, and it was something like, my name is Walter, and I'm here to say that I eat cat turds like every day.
Good God.
Because he does.
Yeah, well, that's just a dog thing.
It's definitely a Walter thing.
Dogs are turd burglars.
Oh.
Plain and simple.
Oh.
What did he do? Did he get you a purple Olight?
He got me a bag of crap. Oh, bomb! We need to have a fire.
He got you a bag of crap.
Oh, I love it, BJ. Oh, touchably full conditioner for luxurious volume.
Oh, this is the fire, powder stuff.
Yeah, I get to have a colorful fire.
Uh-huh.
And then voluminous hair. I have bandages for when Justin hurts himself, because I don't ever. I already have some.
Yeah, we sent that to Zach and someone else. I can't remember.
You're getting this back, boy. Because I'm trying to get rid of them.
We have a ton of them.
And then does your daughter know that you took these?
And look at he sent this little clip.
Yeah, I actually will use that at work, perhaps.
Perfect. There you go.
But this is the best. It better be an Olight.
Okay. Yeah, some of those have a little thing you got to rip off to open them. Oh, that looks legit. That looks like legit packaging.
It's got the pull out. Oh,
shit.
Boy. Oh, I have a new boyfriend. He's trying to move in on your lady. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you, BJ. I love it. I love the crap. Just crap for days.
It's craptastic.
My ponytail's a little bigger than this, but I'll tell you what, if I can catch Chappie, I'll do his mohawk up in some...
Yeah, we'll have to do a legit pony.
Right. And the bobby
what
pin.
is safety
Their
pin?
safety pin, yes.
Yeah, I didn't see the safety pin. And then I don't know what these are.
So we can be safe.
They're like super thin rubber bands?
Yeah, they're hair ties. They're for doing actually...
Like one-time use
these are
hair
like
ties?
the things that you got me to do Evie's hair.
Oh, okay.
But also, I mean, people can use them too. They're just easy to get into little kid hair.
Gotcha.
But they're also a pain to get out.
Yeah, I bet. So, right on. Check that out. Purple Olight SR2 Baton.
It is.
I'm sorry, S2R Baton 2.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, the purple's awesome.
I love the purple and blue.
Yeah, it's super cool.
BJ, you did not have to do this.
You did not have to do that, man, but thank you so much. We greatly appreciate it. The Olight's awesome. Definitely will be used.
I'll have to light a fire and put a little mini video of this on Instagram.
I think maybe we'll do the next live. We'll do a fire and we'll do it outside and do a live show around the campfire.
Okay.
So I want to wait till the weather starts to get...
Yeah, we're not doing that in 100 degrees, no.
Yeah.
But absolutely, I'm down.
Be sweating off my ball bag out there.
Right. But that's no good for anybody.
No. But anyway, so look at the awesome unboxing here. We got the St. Nick's Mannix 2 and CPM 4V, the Camillus Cuda, the colorful fire starter, the Olight, the
Band-Aids,
voluminous hair. Don't
even tell me these are those foamy, crappy ones too. No, they're not.
I don't know what they are, but I don't know. McKesson.
I'm gonna have to try them out. Never used that brand before.
Those brands. That's not a brand I've used. I think I've seen it before. These are like from first aid kit.
Yeah, I was thinking probably in his first aid kit at work or something.
Yeah. So anyway, Hilltop Knives and Gear. If you guys are not subscribed to Mr. BJ Hill, go and do that right now. Super cool guy. He's a good friend of mine. And just an awesome guy. He does awesome mod work. So if you guys want any mods done, he can hook you up. He does all sorts of different things. But, yeah.
Oh, I can put your hair up with these. Your long, luscious
locks. my insanely, for those that, well, I guess probably none of you know, but my hair is about a 1/4 inch long.
And mostly gone.
Not mostly. I have a couple areas that are kind of a patchy, not getting younger, that's for sure. But anyway, so, all right, guys. Thanks so much. BJ, thank you. You certainly did not need to do this, but
but thank you so much.
Greatly appreciate it.
Now I can see all the things at night.
Yeah. All right. Well, Molly, Justin, we out.
Peace.